Hello, my name's Quentin Brown from Web Marketing for Profit, and in this tutorial we're going to have a look at using Chrome for social media. Now, Chrome is a browser developed by Google, and it's very fast compared to most of the other browsers on the market. And the reason it's fast is it's not bloated down with a whole lot of unnecessary tools, so you can add tools to it as you need them. Basically, once you start it up, it's very simple. It has tabs for browsing, has your URL bar, has a refresh and a backwards and forwards arrow. You can also star your URLs. Now, this little 3 bars here gives you access to some of the system information, and we'll have a look at these in a minute. If you like using bookmarks, you can also show a bookmark bar. If you then want to add, say, your Facebook page to make it quicker to go to, just click on whatever the icon is beside the URL. Just then click and drag it onto your bookmark bar, and then you can access your most wanted pages very quickly. When you open up a new tab, you'll notice it has here, if I want to go to Gmail, HotSuite, etc., I can go there very quickly. And it also has my most used pages that I visit. Also, when you set up Chrome, you should log in with your Google account. You don't have to, but it will just provide you with a lot of additional features. Because Chrome's fast, it's very good to use, but also it has a unique function that lots of the new browsers now are coming up with, and that's called extensions. And these extensions allow you to quickly access things within your browser or carry out certain functions that make doing social media a lot better. And I've actually got mine already listed, and here are some of them here. How you access these extensions is under Tools and Extensions. And here are the extensions I've got in. So I've got my ABG, Screenshot, Discover the Webs, Do Share, Grammarly, Pinterest, Pixlr, Search All, Shareaholic, Stumbleupon, etc. And you can get more extensions by then clicking on the Get More Extensions. So here we are in our extension and app. And as you notice, up the top it says Apps, and down the bottom here it says Extensions. Now, apps tend to use their own UI, user interface, whereas extensions tend to enhance the web experience. So it's just a matter of playing around with them a little bit. And here you have your social media, and you have things like blogging, chat, email contacts, phone, social networking. And so here we have a whole lot of different apps that you can use for social networking. Similarly, in extensions, we have social and communication, and we have lots of different extensions here that can be used as well. So we have Reddit, lots of Facebook, Google Hangouts, etc. And when you click on it, it'll come up and tell you a little bit about it. Then if you actually click on the box, it'll open up and tell you all about how it works. Now, a good way to check out whether they're good extensions is see how many have been using it. So 114,000 have been using it. Just look at the details, see if there's good information about it. Always read the reviews. You're going to get a bunch of negative ones and some positive ones. But you're just really trying to see when were the latest comments made. So obviously somebody made a comment in April, June again, August. So it's fairly active, which means probably not such a bad extension. You're going to get some that are negative, but just weigh them up. Another great one to do is just copy that information there, Control C. I like to go to YouTube, post it in here, and you'll find out some things about that particular plugin, and it'll show you how to use it and some of the great features. So that's how you can go through and start using all these great extensions and apps in your Chrome browser to help make your work a lot more efficient. So I've already got mine loaded up here, so let's go and have a look. A graphic you really like and you want to put it onto your Pinterest account, well, I'm just going to open it up and I want to Pinterest it. So I just click on Pinterest, brings it up, let's pin it. I'm just going to call it video training. And remember on Pinterest, try and add a good description, because it's going to pick all this information up in the search engine. So use some good keywords. Then we're just going to pin it. Now always go and look at it. And here it is. Here is our pin. When you go down, always go to the bottom here and just click on the edit. So as you can see at the moment, it's just going to a image. What we want it to do is go to our Web Marketing for Profit web page, our business page. So Control V and Save Changes. Now you can make it go wherever you want, but the point is when someone comes and visits it now and they click on it, it will now take them to our Facebook page. Have our Stumbleupon. It's always good to stumble all your articles, anything worthwhile in promoting your business online. Just hit the Stumble. Make sure you set up an account for Stumble. Just hit the button. It's going to take you to Stumbleupon. Call it multimedia. And again, use multiple tags separated by commas, and also write a nice lengthy comment as well, because again, all this information will be set up in search engines for you. So it's safe for work. Add to page. So Stumbleupon can bring in quite a lot of traffic. Again, just another way of increasing your social presence. And as you can see, I do quite a lot of my videos, my Pinterest, I all stumble as well. Another one I like is this Shareaholic. It then allows me to share it all over the net. So I can just open up this and go through and share it on all different social media sites. Again, video. So now just in that short time, by using these extensions, I've been able to go through and take that one little bit of content and share it all over the net. So you'll be able to share all your information. And also remember, in a lot of these programs, you can also link them up to your internet. So here's that in my Facebook now. It's been added into via my Pinterest application. Now that's not extensions in Chrome, but just remember that all these things all link together. The more you can link them together, so when I write a article in my blog in my business, this will get shared all over the net through using WordPress, and then I can do all the additional work in using these extensions. So it's important that you use tabs, that you use these bookmarks to get to places very quickly, and you pick some good extensions to help you really maximize your social marketing. My name's Quentin Brown, hoping you enjoyed this short tutorial. I look forward to seeing you at a later date.